Welcome to this week's edition of Shit That Pissed Me Off. I know a few weeks ago I did People That Can't Drive Part 2. Well, this is People That Can't Drive Part fucking 3. We just went past somebody on the fucking interstate doing 40 in a 65. And we get up, we go around the motherfucker, it's some teenage kid not wearing a fucking shirt. Seriously, who drives around with not wearing a fucking shirt anymore? This ain't 1984, you ain't got a mullet, you ain't in a hairband. Put on a fucking shirt when you drive. Seriously. We went past the motherfucker, we're like, why is he driving so slow? So I looked down in his car, the motherfucker's texting and driving. If you text and drive, fuck you, I hope you get in a wreck. Seriously. It ain't worth risking your life to try to send a fucking text message that says, "Okay, see you in 15, while you're trying to drive. How about this? Just get there at 15. They'll know that you got the message when you got there and say, "Hey, I got your message." So, I'm gonna hop off here. Until next week, leave a comment in the section below. I'm fixing to go eat supper with my mama. She come up to see me. So, until then, stop fucking texting and driving, motherfuckers.